I hope you guys are ready to go back to the new normal. And because it's the new normal, I would like to share with you a new recipe. And this recipe is popular in Malaysia and Singapore. And I'm sure it will also be very popular in the Philippines and in Thailand for that matter. We are going to make Milo Dinosaur and Milo Godzilla. Very, very simple recipe. All we need is, of course, Milo. So many of you love Milo. I love Milo. When I was younger, I used to not make a drink out of Milo, but just eat it out of the spoon. So delicious. But today, we are going to make a combination of a drink and something that you can eat plain Milo. Exciting. Let's get started. I'm going to make two 16 ounces cups. Now, the reason why I'm making two is I'm going to make one is Godzilla and the other is Dinosaur. The recipe for 22 ounces cups will be in the description below, so don't worry, you will see it. Okay? Let's start with our Milo Dinosaur. Again, as always, I make my drinks very simple to make, so this is not any different from that. I'm going to put 4 ounces of hot water. And then 1 tablespoon of Milo. So you can make it 1 level tablespoon or you can make it a little bit over 1 tablespoon. So that's what I'm going to do. Put it into my hot water. Give it a bit of a stir. And to keep it simple, I'm going to use condensed milk right from the can. I need 40 ml of condensed milk, 20 ml of evaporated milk. You can use any brand of your choice. There you go. So 40 ml of condensed and 20 ml of evaporated milk. Let's make the second one. So I'm just going to start this. It takes a little bit of time. So again, 4 ounces of hot water. One tablespoon of Milo. Whole tablespoon. Give it a stir. Start this one. This is the reason why I always get it out of the can, transfer it somewhere else, otherwise it will take forever. And then of course 20 ml of evaporated milk. That makes it 2 ounces of condensed and evaporated milk. There you go. Let's put it into our 16-ounce mason jar. Let's put our ice in the drinks. There is our iced Milo, and this is why we call it Milo Dinosaur. We're going to fill up the top of our drink with Milo Powder. I love the taste of Milo. Try it. Wow. Brings back my childhood memories. There you go. Milo Dinosaur and Godzilla. It becomes a Godzilla because it is bigger than a dinosaur. So it needs a scoop of ice cream on top. Okay, let's do that. Let's put ice cream. I have here, usually it should be like vanilla ice cream, but here I have chocolate ice cream. I'll just put ice cream on top, and that becomes your Milo Godzilla. There you have it, Milo Dinosaur without ice cream and Milo Godzilla with ice cream. Children will definitely love this. Well, even I love it. Wow. You know the taste of Milo, so that's exactly how it tastes. Plus, you get a little bit of texture because you put the Milo powder into the drink. It's so delicious. Very simple recipe, easy enough for you to follow, easy enough for you to make at home. So do give it a try. Take some photos and send me your photos so I can see what you have done and let me know how it goes for you. I'll see you again in my next video. Click that subscribe button below. Thank you for watching and ciao for now.